instead of putting up with John fucking Crafthouse. Pataka. Bada, gada, bada, bada, ba. These are dumb. La la la. La 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 la.
No, they
La 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 la. Unique New York, New York unique. Red leather, yellow leather. She says she shall so. Whatever.
Hi guys, I'm
Hi.
John Crafthouse.
I'm Jake Lewis.
You can be whoever you want to be. Your trans name. Today, Jeff, I don't know if you all know this, I guess all of you have been looking at his Instagram and wondering what his profession is. Actually, he went to makeup school.
I started sculpting again.
Oh, sick.
That's good.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting back on track.
So practice on my face today. Jeff is gonna transform my face today. I'm gonna try not to look. There's like a teeny little monitor about 15 feet away from me right now. But Jeff is gonna transform my face using any of the makeup that I have, which I've pretty much gone through you guys before, but it's tons of Jeffree Star, Urban Decay, Sephora, Morphe, tons of Wet n Wild, and Milk.
I want to throw in that I haven't really touched makeup in like 10 years. So this is gonna be fun.
I'm gonna
This is gonna be fun.
give a couple recommendations to Jeff as he goes. We'll see at the end. Yeah. Oh, what do you want? A black shirt? What's your vision? What shirt? I've got like 3 colors.
You can put it on after.
Well, then I have to take it off over my head. Jeff's gonna teach me how to strip. Alright, so then we're gonna dive into it. We're not gonna really go through the tutorial or anything like that. This is just like an entertainment conversation hangout. Because it's a surprise for me. So if I may do overlays after the video is over, when I go into editing and doing all the work. But I will make sure you guys kind of have an idea of what we're doing.
I also probably wouldn't be able to explain what I'm doing. It's just being real.
I'm gonna step away because I'm low on Bloody Mary.
Oh yeah, drink of the day is Bloody Mary.
She's
How many have you had already?
That's my second.
What?
There are
Well,
2
you
acceptable
like-
candles in the world. Sierra Trudon and Diptyque.
I'm sitting like this for 2 reasons. One, I'm on a bench, and I want to get a better look at John. And the other reason, I just want to really take it all in.
Connect.
I want to really take in as much of this.
Beautiful canvas. Okay, go. Make me horrific.
Here we go.
I'll still make it look beautiful.
Because honestly, just so we're clear, the only person I eat pizza with anymore is you.
I don't trust anyone who doesn't eat pizza. Nope, we're not using that. Ew, it's already hardened.
It's definitely hard to.
Don't use these things. Ew, it all. Oh. Buying bean treats. Because from the side, I do look like one of those fresco drawings. Jeff and I played Dead by Daylight for the entire night the other night, and we were actually screaming the entire time.
Creepy as fucking game. Did you play the Friday the 13th?
I have it, yeah, I love that one. But that one's more humorous. Like, even though it's scary,
It is more humorous.
it's
The other
more
one's
humorous.
fucking
It's like
freaky.
80s archetypes and stuff.
Yeah, the other one's fucking freaky.
Yeah, but you know what? That one has Freddy and the Texas Chainsaw Guy.
Which one?
The Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight is just like really dark, and Friday the 13th, I like that there's more people in it.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's more party based. It's more like, hey guys, get on and play this. Because it's so novelty. But apparently they like continually add maps and stuff to play with their team. Blood sugar.
I've gone up there.
Thanks for all the treats. I'd like to call you affordable luxury.
What color are your eyes? Are they blue?
You say blue, huh?
They're not blue. They're like a.
If I were wearing a blue shirt, you'd be like, whoa, they're blue. If I was wearing a green shirt, you'd be like, those are fucking emerald green. It's so weird.
Well, they're not really matte green. To me, they're like a.
And if I were purple,
Blue
they look green.
Yeah. They're like a blue green. Kind of like a really dirty, gross water. Like a algae-ridden fish tank.
Okay, try to break me today. Try to get those expression lines to show up in your paintings. We'll see.
Oh, well that didn't help. You almost got it right in your eye.
I did get it in my eye.
You need to stay still.
That's why I flinched.
My eyeball. Stay fucking still. It's like put you in a headlock to do your eyes. Put down. We gotta stay still.
I'm trying. I don't think this is the right way to do this.
It is. If you
I don't think you like flick so much. You're too flicky.
You're flicky.
You're too much flare.
You're
screams. Your eyeball.
Well, if you had got
It hurts.
big eyes.
Now, do the rest of my face.
You just, I don't love it.
If you don't love it, go all out with it, you know? Don't like be like, here's eyes and lips.
Oh god.
Just be like, fucking, just blue cheeks and shit.
I hate everything about you.
Why?
I just do. No, I'm not using it.
Okay. You could draw them, like real crazy.
Your eye just got completely fucked on you.
Why?
Because I went to draw it and you're texting and
You were texting him too.
I texted him after I got mad.
No, that was before.
I want to come up with a game plan next time.
You had days!
I didn't use them. I figured out what I was doing while we were sitting here. You don't know what you were doing.
No, I do.
Well, I also didn't know what makeup you had.
It is limitless what you could do. Well, I'm glad I was the canvas for this.
Yeah. You know, you don't always win. You don't always win.
You know what? Is it clown makeup?
Yeah. Stuff like clown. What I wanted to do was something cool at the mouth and then the eyes were
Be right back.
cool. What?
I know exactly what I'm doing with this.
You do?
So, here I am. Here we are.
We are here.
I asked Jeff to do a blind makeup tutorial to show people what they could do for Halloween. I asked him to do something feminine, glamorous,
I went into
modest, low-key, something I could take and wear to a Halloween party and then just go out for a drink at the Beverly Hills Hotel. And I think he really achieved this, honestly. Don't you?
Yeah. I mean, I went into it a little more blind than maybe I could have.
Now, styling is the key. So,
I brought them.
The rotten. Where are they coming from?
I literally don't even
Doors are open.
see a fly.
Styling is key here. So, you know, when I was in my t-shirt and jeans, it didn't look that great. It was a great face, but if you're not carrying it well, like what's the fucking point? So we added this Lanvin bow tie, a Prada shirt, and a Prada suit, and I think it kind of gives it this irony to it, kind of like a banker boy, but with a clown type print. And I did like a Muggsy Malone slicked hairdo, which I think.
Not to mention we're kind of seeing this right now for the new Joker movie.
There's a new Joker movie.
Yeah. I mean, not like, it's not this. This is a very like feminine thing, which I wasn't even thinking of doing it, but then when you put this on, I was like, yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Phoenix, Joaquin Phoenix.
Yeah. So I didn't think Jeff was gonna make me up to be a bunny, but he did. And I'm ready to go out.
What did you think I was gonna make you up with me?
Like a clown or something.
You're welcome.
Guys, dig into your makeup. Do something cool.
Get some makeup.
Get some makeup.
Get some fucking makeup.
Do a look.
Now, if you get really cheap makeup, it's gonna go on cheap. It's gonna look cheap for the same. For the most part.
Yeah.
But I mean, the palette I majorly used, you said it only cost you $15, right?
Oh yeah, I talked about this one before. It's Urban Decay Electric, but I got it on Nordstrom Rack, so I don't know how long it's gonna be on there. It may not be on there anymore. I'm not researching it. You can Google it.
Yeah.
I've had like 3 drinks, so I'm not.
We're not gonna
giving you
hyperlink
any
that.
information.
I don't think we should hyperlink shit.
Tiny URL, nothing.
Nope. Fuck a hyperlink.
Smart URL, nope. Dumb URL.
Got time for all that.
Your own URL.
John has had at least 16 Bloody Marys. It's Friday. It's not even 7.
And I have nowhere to go.
He has nowhere to go.
So
What'd you
please, give me
Another
money
one.
or something.
Here.
Cheers. You have to finish that.
I know.